Hey guys, welcome to our channel ChandraAwesome after a very long gap. So sorry for this gap, guys. From now onwards, we will start again doing the new topics and new design techniques within the Onshape what we launch, and along with the new assembly designs as well. Okay, so right in this video, I'm going to explain the uh, new updates what we have, our new tools updates that comes in Onshape. Okay, so right here you can see the truck, the truck shape, and I'm going to create some dump dumping or like a trailer for the truck. Okay, so here I'm going to show you the with the new tools how we can work with when we need this. Okay, so before that I create a new sketch here. I just want to create a pattern like a shape to the a trailer to the surroundings on the walls of this trailer. Okay, but the first step that is the sweep. Since we have updated with the extrude and the wall with thin feature, and we got in sweep as well, so it will make our work than simpler, and we don't need to create extra sketch here. You just need a face set. Okay, so just like with the sketch, we don't need a close rotation here. Okay, right now I'm going to sell the theme. Here I have already the sketch. I'm going to sell these lines, and I need the path. I'm going to use this edge as a path, and we go for the size. We can reduce thickness what you want, or you can do the remove operation as well by changing into the direction like this. So here we created the pattern shape just by using the thin feature in sweep tool. So this is how to work with the sweep, the next shoot, and that trim, and so this is different one. I'll explain you later how to work with. You might already know how to work with the trim and so the sweep tools in the previous videos. Okay, you can find in our playlist. You can check in the description as well about it. So this is how to work with, and we have another feature called the patterns. And the previous days we used to create patterns. Sometimes you can't able to edit the unwanted patterns. Like for example, now we can with this you can skip the instances. Let me show you. Let's select the feature pattern, and we need the direction, and let's give it to 5 count. Okay, and I'm going to decrease the distance to 0.5. Let's increase to 10. Okay, right here we got the pattern design. Okay, if you don't want to any of the middle one, avoid. Just you need to click on checkbox or skip instances and select the points where you don't want the instances, or else you can select by right left click and drag the box and select the points like this. Okay, you can mostly useful when working with the all patterns. It's suitable for all patterns. Okay, let me show you. Let's delete the linear pattern and show the curve pattern now. Okay, just set the feature, select the feature, select the path. So when it is showing red like this, just simply click on reply features. It will automatically get applied and increase the patterns from here. Let's keep it as a 15. Right here you can see this what we want to avoid. Further, the constant to skip instances and set the font to avoid like this. Now we remove the unwanted patterns within the cell, and we got the perfect shape within the design. And you can save this by clicking on print tick mark. So this is the update with the new Onshape, guys. So it's definitely a useful tool. I really like these both tools, which save time most of the designs and also simplify the work. Okay. Or if you like this today's contents, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching.